How to get subscription of Apple Music. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is on how you can get Apple Music's subscription. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now without any further ado, let's dive right in. First step you'll need to do to get subscription for Apple Music is locate the Apple Music app. After you've found the app, open it up. After you open up your Apple Music's app, you will need to head over to the home page. You'll find the home button at the bottom bottom left. And after you're on the home page, you'll get this option that says Music Just for You, 1 month free. You can browse through other plans as well. So just select an option. So first accept the free trial and this pop-up will open up. Now all you have to do here is simply tap on subscribe and go through the payment process. So there you can see it costs $3.29 per month and you'll get first month free trial. You can cancel anytime if you want. So simply tap on subscribe button and you'll get the subscription. And yeah, that's basically how you get a subscription of Apple Music. And that is basically it for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you want more such tutorial videos, don't forget to subscribe to NN and stay tuned for more.